Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 14 Leonharte Street in Beckenham. This stunning family home has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and has been meticulously finished off by the sellers. And you've got 2 choices of master bedrooms and plenty of room out the back for the pool as well. And we're in a nice quiet street just metres away from a park that the kids can play in all day long. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 14 Leonharte Street in Beckenham. As you can see, this stunning family home just needs you to pick the furniture. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.